Hello, I'm so glad you decided to come back and watch today's video, and it is unboxing and trying everything out in the May Boxycharm. So if you'd like to see what I got, see me using every item here, then please keep on watching. Also make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, bookmark my page. I upload a video every single day of the week, plus I also do live streams every Sunday night at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I would love for you to be able to come on back and watch whenever you would like. I will leave my link down below for Boxycharm if you would like to try it. It is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. It can be skincare, hair, makeup, all that kind of stuff. So I have been a Boxycharm subscriber for over a year now, and yeah, I am really excited to see what I got in this month's box. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this month's theme is Make Waves. I like the art, it's pretty. Let's see what I got. Oh, okay, so I got Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. I've been able to try Glam Glow one time, and it was a facial mask. It was just like a little tiny size. I know Glam Glow is very expensive, so that is awesome. I love the packaging. Very, very pretty. Let's see what else I got. Okay, I got a Eye Luster Cream eyeshadow. Oh, by Ciate London. I've never tried anything from them. I know that they had the lip sticks like last year where you like rub your lips together. Holy crap, that looks beautiful. I've been getting into cream shadows again. Very, very pretty doe foot. Holy crap, that is pretty. Okay, I'm excited to try that out. I'm okay with that. Oh wow, Dose of Colors Bury Me Liquid Matte Lipstick. I've never tried Dose of Colors either, so okay. I'm excited for that too. Seems like a pretty good box so far. A Mellow Brow Definer. Oh, okay, so it's like it's just like one of those little eyebrow pencils. Very cool. Oh, has a spoolie on the other end too. Very nice. I love brow products, so I will definitely be excited to try this. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and it looks like this is in Fair Light. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. Full-size mirror. Very peachy tones. It looks like they're, two of them are shimmers, and one is a kind of a matte. Okay, that is really, really pretty. Okay, so that is the box. Let's look at prices. Okay, so the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser, it is $28. That is crazy for face wash. The Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio is $22. There we go, $22. The Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow, $22. Holy crap. The Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick is an $18 product, and so is the Mellow Brow Definer, $18 as well. Okay, my face is clean, but first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try out the Glam Glow, so I will see you guys here in a second trying this out, and then we'll start throwing some other cosmetics on my mug. Face is wet. Let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so it has a pretty runny consistency. It's kind of pearly. Very, very, very light fragrance, and it doesn't smell that great. Okay, so it rinsed really, really clean. Definitely feels like it moisturized. My skin doesn't feel tight or stingy. So yeah, first impressions wise, I like that. Left the skin feeling really, really nice. So I'm gonna go throw on some other makeup, get ready to try some of the other products. Like I'm gonna put on like foundation and you know, concealer, powder, that kind of stuff. So that way we can try the other stuff. Okay, so I'm back with foundation, powder. Did a very, very basic eye look, so we can try the Ciate London Cream Eyeshadow. But let's go ahead and do brows. So this is the Mellow Brow Definer. This is cruelty-free. I like brow products, so I'm excited. Let's go ahead and give her a go. Nice spoolie. It's kind of got that triangle tip. Kind of dry, which I actually prefer with a eyebrow pencil, just because then it doesn't get everywhere. That seems pretty nice, actually. Okay, I like that. That feels very, very secure. I don't feel like it's going to be moving around anywhere, so that is awesome. Okay, I wonder if actually if it's like waterproof or something. It's non-greasy formula. It's a long-lasting formula. Nice, yeah. I can definitely tell it's going to be long-lasting. It's very, very dry, but it's like really creamy. It's easy to use, but it definitely feels like it's not going to budge. Okay, let's go ahead and try the Ciate London Cream Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Cupid. So I did kind of like a little bit of like a rosy gold, so let's try this out. Okay, that's really, really pretty. Pretty opaque. It's kind of got like a gold pink shift to it. It's really pretty. Okay. I like that. Okay, let's go ahead and try the blush palette now. I'm trying to think which shade is going to kind of go. I think I'm going to go with Parasio. It's the center one right here. It's kind of the more matte. I mean, it's definitely got a little tiny bit of shimmer. Not a lot of kick up in the pan, but it definitely is picking up on the brush. Ooh, that's so pretty. That's really, really pretty. That's gorgeous. I think I'm going to try this more peachy one. I think I'm going to try it on the apples, just add maybe a little tiny bit of shine. Yeah, that definitely has some luster to it. It's really pretty. Okay, last product we have is the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Never tried Dose of Colors. Oh yeah, there's that frosted glass. It's pretty, and this is called Bury Me. Pretty standard little doe foot. Okay, wow. I did not have to re-dip one. I only had to dip in once. I pulled the applicator out and that's it. Very, very opaque. Very, very comfortable. I'm kind of stunned. I can see why so many people love this. I'm gonna hurry up and pop on some mascara. I will be right back and we'll kind of go through the box, the value, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so mascara is on. I will leave everything I used linked down below for you, including foundation, concealer, all that kind of stuff. So my box had a $108 value, okay? So let's just go ahead and go through the things and I'll tell you my first initial little response to them. Okay, so the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser doesn't smell that great. It's pretty pricey, but it did leave my skin feeling really, really nice afterwards. Have you ever smelled like is it the Castile soap? It has that kind of scent to it. So if you don't like really harsh or strongly scented products, you might really like this. I used a very matte foundation, concealer, and powder today, and I really feel like that that the Glam Glow face wash really, really helped to smooth stuff out. Helped because I do have some dry spots from zits and stuff, but yeah, I really, really like the Glam Glow face wash. Really, really nice. I'll continue to use it. You'll probably see it like an update on it later on, but yeah, I really, really like this. The Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Really, it's very, very pigmented, but it doesn't make you look clownish. It gave a gentle flush to the cheeks. I like the 3 shades. I do like that we kind of have more of a matte blush right here in the middle, and then we got 2 very kind of glimmery, frosty blushes, because I definitely think these could be used as more of a blush topper, but really, 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 really pretty. I personally love blush, and yeah, lays on the skin gorgeous, so I do like this a lot. The Ciate London eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, really, really, really pretty. It dried down. Let me go ahead and try this finger. Yeah, dried down, little tiny bit of glitter like uptake, but nothing bad at all. Really, really gorgeous on the eyelids. I honestly think I will probably put this somehow in my eye look when I get married because my dress is pink, but really, really pretty. Very opaque, and so far not creasing. I mean, yeah, it's only been like half an hour, but very, very pretty. I really, really like this so far. The Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. Very, very comfortable so far. Once again, I've had this on for maybe 30 minutes. It's not doing the bee-hole lip thing. Very, very opaque, very full coverage. I only had to like pull the wand out. And usually these types of dark berry shades, they can get streaky, they can get patchy, nothing like that. I did overline my lips. I do like to do that when I'm wearing a matte liquid lipstick, but so far very, very comfortable. I haven't ate or drank, so I don't know the staying power. Not sticky at all, but it doesn't feel like the moisture's getting stuck down my lips either, so I really, really like this so far. I can definitely see why so many people love Dose of Colors. And then finally, the brow pencil. I like the formula. It was easy to create a quick brow. The only issue with me personally is I'm not used to using a triangle or like a diamond tipped pencil. That's definitely going to take some getting used to, but no, it created a brow pretty quickly. I think the color's great. The formula is really, really nice. This is in the shade Chocolate. And you know, I'm a pretty, you know, I'm kind of an auburn redhead. When my hair's dyed, it's a lot redder. But my natural hair color is starting to come through, and I really think it's a great shade, easy to use. Besides the actual shape of it, but I'll just have to get used to that. But so far, yeah, my thoughts on the May 2019 Boxycharm. I really like everything. There's not one thing that I don't like. I like the shades of everything I got, and you know, $108 value. You know, I personally spend like $23 a month, but you know, we have to pay state taxes now on like e-commerce orders. So if your Boxycharm did go up a little bit, that is why there was a new thing that came through, like law-wise, where if you do buy stuff online, you do have to pay taxes for it. But yeah, I think for 23 bucks, I got a lot of great stuff, and I haven't tried, the only thing brand I've tried is the Alamar Cosmetics. I have an eyeshadow palette, and I think some brushes I got from another Boxycharm, but everything else, like, yeah, I have had a little Glam Glow little mask, but I've never tried Dose of Colors or Ciate or the Mellow, so I got to try some really awesome, cool brands. So yeah, I definitely like this month's box very much. Really pretty cosmetics and really nice face wash. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth unboxing and try-on of the May 2019 Boxycharm. If you did, please go in and give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you share this video. Leave a comment down below if you get Boxycharm. What did you get in your Boxycharm? I ended up getting version number 2 of Boxycharm, so I would love to know what you got in your Boxycharm if you'd like to share. Also, you know, you're always welcome to follow me on my other social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. It's all a Budget Glam Babe. Make sure you stay tuned. There'll be some videos popping up where you can click on and watch, or another one should start autoplaying here very shortly. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you here in just a second.